Promulgation Day 2010. The Kenyan government invites a head of state wanted by the International Criminal Court to witness a major national occasion. This act of defiance has spawned a major diplomatic and legal headache, with the government under siege both abroad and at home. Kenya and Sudan are at loggerheads over a High Court ruling issued last month by Judge Nicholas Ombija to have the ICC warrant of arrest enforced if President Omar Al Bashir ever sets foot on Kenyan soil.
Given those orders, must place this court in a paradox.
The three-judge Court of Appeal bench today refused to set aside that ruling, at least for now.
Bashir is twisting Kenya because if it is able to get Kenya to panic, it would appear as if it's a threat that if Kenya is therefore removed as being the guarantor of the CPA, it is possible that Bashir can have serious altercations with even Southern Sudan itself because they are still fighting over the Abyei region.
The Attorney General had applied for the orders directing the arrest of Bashir to be lifted until the case is determined. In opposing the application, lawyer Wilfred Nderitu, appearing for the International Commission of Jurists, argued the state should be represented by the Director of Public Prosecution in criminal proceedings, as required under the new constitution.
Well, it means he cannot come, effectively. And anyway, even if he were to come, you see, he could only come upon the invitation of government.
Appellate judges Emmanuel Okubasu, Erastus Gidinji, and Onyango Otieno ruled that ICG had a point, but will make a ruling on the matter January 24th next year. They upheld the orders ordering the ICC arrest warrant against Bashir until then.
The Constitution, like any law, is made for man, not man for the law. So our sovereignty did not end the day we gave ourselves a constitution.
The African Union passed a resolution in July 2009 saying its members had refused to cooperate in the arrest and transfer of Sudan's president to the ICC. This is the basis on which the government is against Ombija's orders. This week, the ICC declared the AU resolution illegal and reported Malawi, Chad, Djibouti and Kenya to the United Nations Security Council. This legal move is not expected to result in sanctions for any countries, but will make it harder for others to welcome Bashir. Kenya may pay the highest price for hosting Sudan's president, following the diplomatic row with Sudan over the Ombija's court ruling. A political concern the Kenyan judiciary does not seem moved by. What the ruling means is that until the appeal is heard and determined, President El Bashir can still be arrested and handed over to the ICC if he sets foot in Kenya. Ochieng, KTN Prime.